In this video, I'm going to introduce the concept of the cross product of two sets. So the cross product of two sets A and B is A cross B, which is the set of all xy. So the set of all, this is like a point. This is a point xy such that x is an element of A and y is an element of B. This is the cross product. As a first example, let's say that A is the set 1, 2. B is the set 3, 4, 5. All right, now we're going to make a bunch of points. I guess I should put them all in the set to be consistent. But so A cross B, this is going to be a rather large set. So let's see, we have a 1 with 3, 1 with 4, 1 with 5, and now 2 with 3, 2 with 4, and 2 with 5. And that's the cross product of sets A and B as defined here. As you can see, these are points, and we could plot these points in the xy plane. Let me give you another example. Something that you've worked with a lot already but didn't know that you were working with, the cross product. So let's say that A is the set of real numbers. Now the set of real numbers you can think of as a line, right? Let's say this is A. A equals the real numbers. And say maybe 0 is here. We're going to the right to positive infinity, on the left to negative infinity. That's A. And we'll also make B into the real numbers, which you can think of as a line as well. So A cross B is actually the xy plane. Something you're quite familiar with, right? X and Y. So when we write X here, what we really mean is this is all of the X's in A, and Y is all of the Y's in B. The XY plane, and think about it here, all of these points, right? So let me give myself a little more room here. So I'm going to make this a little smaller. By definition, A cross B is the set of all xy, points xy, such that X is in A and Y is in B. Now, in this example, in this particular example, A is the real numbers, B is the real numbers. So this is what we'd say is R cross R. This is all the points xy such that X is a real number and Y is a real number. This is R cross R. And it's all these points. It's that point, that point, that point, that point, that point. You think about just, if I was to tap every single point here, eventually I would fill out the entire plane. Right? So the xy plane is R cross R. Now often, instead of writing r cross r to represent the xy plane, you'll see something like this, r squared. R squared is shorthand for r cross r. Now the cross product, as we have it defined it in our class in Math 189, is not the same as the cross product that you'll see in Calc 3. It's kind of a weird cross product in Calc 3 is like a determinant. It's a much different thing. So r squared cross product in Math 189, r squared is r cross r. This is a set of points. As another example, think about r cubed. R cubed, this is shorthand for r cross r cross r, which is a set of all points x, y, z, such that x and y and z are real numbers. This is 3D space. This is three-dimensional space.